Hello, I'm Alan Adcock with ASC Group. We are a cybersecurity and IT management firm based here in Atlanta, Georgia. This show is Cyber Sentinel, where we talk about your business and security issues. On this installment, we're going to talk about NCSAM, which is an acronym, just stands for National Cybersecurity Awareness Month. This month is set aside to raise awareness about the importance of cybersecurity in our nation. So this is the 17th year that we've had campaigns around cybersecurity in the month of October. This is run by the National Cybersecurity Infrastructure Security Agency, which is a federal government agency, and they have a private sector partner just called the Cybersecurity Alliance, NCSA. Those two organizations have tons of material on cybersecurity as it pertains to all entities in the country. So federal government, industry, international partners, small, medium business, where we typically operate, state, local, tribal, territorial governments, as well as nonprofits. So they run the gamut of materials that are available to you. You can look them up online and get access to that material. This is really it's just really one of those things that we do to raise awareness throughout the year. The national posture right now, we've got tons of other things that have taken headlines. COVID-19, civil unrest, presidential elections. We've got all this stuff going on. It just seems like we're bombarded by stuff in the media and online these days. But behind the scenes of all that stuff, we still have our cybersecurity incidents that are continuing to happen. So we still have ransomware. We still have breaches at companies large and small. We have breaches at government agencies. We have foreign actors trying to come in and steal intellectual property. All this stuff is still going on. So it's always important to help try to build that culture of that cyber aware culture in your staff at your company. If you have any questions about how to do that or what tools are available to you to help secure your organization, please reach out to us. You can reach out to us online at #CyberSentinel or just call us here at ASC Group. We'd be happy to meet with you and talk about technologies and programs we can put in place to help increase the security of your organization.